Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Model Kit Builds, and this is a unorthodox unboxing because I don't have a box to unbox. I bought this kit, the Master Grade Blitz Gundam, from a friend on Facebook, and it was easier and cheaper for both of us to have it shipped without its original box. And don't worry, the runners were all sealed before I got to them. They were in plastic bags. They were, it was a very nice packing job. So, thanks to that person packing it so well. He wrote fragile all over the box, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to show you the shipping box because it has my address on it, and you don't need to know my address. So, yes. My unboxing of the Master Grade Blitz Gundam. Of course, there's the manual. You know it's official and it's real. So, of course, with no box, here is the sticker sheet and all the decals. Here is the polycap runner right there. Yellow wire for the claw and the beam sabers. And then we can go to the A runner right here. Your multicolor runner. This is both the B and C runners. I just have them nice and close together. This is the D runner here in gray. One thing I can tell you is this black plastic is not going to be fun nub-wise. That's the E runner there, right there. And this is the F runner here. The G runner. The H runner in black. Runner I. Runner J in purple. Runner K in red, runner L in white, and runner M also in purple. So let's take a look at the manual. There it is, that nice image of Blitz Gundam there. I like that image, that's cool. Typical Master Grade manual. Some information down here. And some other suits there. The Strike. I think that's the Justice. I don't know these two off the top of my head. And there's the Astray. And more information here. The runner count on both pages. And of course we start with the body. And then of course there's some more information about the suit and the kit. The SEED remaster, which I think is still up on Gundam Info for anyone who wants to watch it. There's the legs, and getting all the head and arms and everything together. The waist, putting the whole thing together. Doing the weapons. More stuff on the weapons, and then there's the decal markings for the weapons on the suit. Of course, you end with the color guide and all that. So that is it for my unorthodox, no box unboxing of the Master Grade Blitz Gundam. Thanks for watching and goodbye.